Welcome back to the Stebbins Garage YouTube channel. It's episode 13 of the 92 Firebird rebuild. Today I'm rebuilding that rocker and you're gonna see the whole process. Hope you enjoy it, stick around. I have this monstrosity to deal with. I'm hoping that it's just isolated to this part and I can cut, there's a rib here. I'm hoping I can just cut out and then weld in a new piece here. And then I don't know about this, if that's gonna be solid or not. This part I think is okay, and it's rusted all the way through. There's a piece that comes down. We'll have to make that as well. So I'm gonna start grinding on this with a light disc and see what happens. Okay, you just saw a whole probably hour and a half of me working on the outside rocker. There's the view of the hole from inside right now. This is the passenger side floorboard. It should probably come to right about here. So we're gonna go ahead and grind all that seam sealer out so we can see what's what. And then I'm planning to bring a piece from here down and remaking that. So let's see how quick I can do that. Hey, you saw me working on the passenger side. Oh boy, this thing just escalated. So here's where I am. I've got a piece made. I'll still have to make another piece for here. I'll probably do it in a couple pieces, but this is actually turning out really good. This goes inside to the floor, and then we're going to actually just seam weld that. It's not cosmetic, I don't care. We'll tap that over and weld that in, and that'll be perfectly fine. There we go. So I got a couple more minor things to do. I got to fix a little spot here and then clean that piece up, put some weld through primer on it and burn it in. Here's where we are. I kind of just put the camera down and worked. This is the outside. This piece has another piece that goes here. This is the hole for the fender to bolt to. We're going to use a riv nut on that. We've got a backer here. This will get a little bit of filler. This piece goes right to here. When we make that, there's a piece that goes down to here. And this will all get cavity wax so that we don't have any problems with rusting. Let's do that. Okay, got that welded in. I'm happy with that. I went ahead and ground my welds, put a little bit of filler on it. This is going to be seam sealed like the factory piece. Next I got to make this little piece here and weld that in. That definitely looks good. And I'm happy with it. It turned out much better than what I had to work with on the other side. I think I did a good job for my current skill level. We'll see how I progress. There's the welded in product. I'm happy with that. Gonna go ahead and hit it with the grinder and I'll be more happy with it. Let's do that. Okay, etching primer's on. Next up, a little filler, a little seam sealer, and that will be done. All right, well that is in primer. I'm going to seam seal that and then that will be good. I also went ahead and started doing the pour 15 in here. So I started here. I started doing some of the floor. Right there, there was holes from a cell phone mount, 90s car. So I went ahead and welded those up and then I just ground it from both sides and sprayed a little paint on it. So eventually the whole underside of this will be satin pour 15 and then all the fender wells will be Raptor lined. I'll do that in another episode. I'll show you probably tomorrow. I'll do the seam seal and then we'll call it an episode. I'm back at it. As you saw, we've got this rocker repaired. It's time to go ahead and put some seam sealer on that. Gonna knock that out, gonna do the floor inside and call it good. Here's the passenger side inside floor, more pour 15. I also had to take out the seam sealer that was here because it was falling out, and so probably just spray some red over that, and also did the rear seat bracket delete. Gonna have to do that on the other side as well. That way I'm not running a rear seat with the bracket out of the way. I don't have to cut the carpet. It'll be nice and stock looking, so happy with that. So that's going to do it for the rust repair on the front part of the Firebird. Next, we're going to move on to some other exciting things that don't involve rust. I'm going to work on the engine bay some more. Going to start putting some of the interior back in it. I hope you'll stick around for that. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram at Stebbins Garage. See you on the next one.